too. I feel freer that way. Sunburst likes it too. He's worn saddles before. He just doesn't like them. Indians always ride bareback. It's not fair to the rest of us. Oh, stop it, Zoe. Why do they call you Indians anyway? I mean,
Do you have the
Indians live
hiccups?